Guys, hey, this is King Bassin here. Today I want to talk to you about the Piscifun Phantom. As you can see, it's already got me heels over head. Wait a second. Heels over head? No, it's head over heels. So let's get to this unboxing and let's talk about the Piscifun Phantom. Let's go. That's right, guys. It's a Piscifun family. Their fishing logo is Go With Family. Man, I kind of like that. Basically, I just want to do an unboxing on this, the Piscifun Phantom. Let's get right to it. So go ahead and open this up. What you got in the box? You've got the instruction manual right here. Kind of talks about how to put it together and all that stuff. What else comes in this box? You've got a nice little Piscifun sticker right here. That'd be cool. I'll put this on my tackle box. Throw that over there. It comes with this nice little real sock, real glove. Yeah, one of those things. That'll be coming in handy whenever I'm traveling. As you can see, I am not in Tennessee. I'm in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. I've got a beautiful pond right here. So once we get done with this unboxing right here, we'll put this reel to the test, get some lines spooled on it, and then see how this thing holds up. So toss that over there. Next up, finally, we've got the Phantom reel right here. Nice low profile reel, nice carbon fiber handle, as I can see already. Feels light too. Alright, so I ordered the right handle retrieve, right-handed of course. It's got 7 ball bearing rings in here. Gear ratio is 7.0 to 1, and it's pretty fast. I like that. Retrieve per turn, it's roughly around 30.3 inches. This max drag right here, what we got? We've got 17 or 7.7 kilograms. Pounds of drag. The thing weighs, man, just telling about this, I knew it was light, but it's 5.7 ounces. It says it holds about 120 yards of line on mono. Braid capacity is about 30-pound braid, 120 yards. So not too bad, not too bad, not too bad, right? Not too bad. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this reel first hands. So first off, just playing with it right here. Man, that thing feels smooth. Feels super smooth. Nice. Definitely like that in a reel. It's got this right here. Got this like real. What is this? Like a rubber. Hey man, on the casting button, you got a little rubberness on here. Make sure your thumbs don't slip whenever you're about to cast and all that stuff. Definitely a plus. Tension knob right here. It's got a nice click. Nice click right there. Definitely like that. You got your braking system out here. External braking systems. Clicks as well from 0 to 10. And then all you have to do is take the side plate to get to your second braking system. Is push that in. Did fish jump, dude? Alright, so you push it in, rotate it down. Pull it out, make sure you don't pull the spool out. But as in here you can see we got another set of brakings in here, magnetic brake, so good deal on that. Definitely like that. Got a nice star drag right there, and like I said, it's carbon fiber handles. Man, this feels nice. But anyways, let's get this on the rod and get it spooled up, and let's talk about how to tune your baitcaster. Let's go. got that Piscifun Phantom spooled up with 15-pound fluorocarbon. I've got it on a favorite rod, 6.6 medium heavy. I've got a KVD swim jig, 1/4 ounce jig head with a Kitech swimmer right here. Let's do a little cast test and tune this this reel. So first off, what I'm gonna start with is making sure this tension knob is turned up all the way. Alright, after adjusting that tension knob, I'm going to adjust the internal brakes system right here. So push that button down, turn the side plate. Alright, so I'm going to adjust this, okay? I'm going to adjust that to, let's go for 2 for right now, alright? Let's have that 2. Put that side plate back on, and let's go 10 on the external braking system, right? Alright, so after adjusting that, make sure that the bait has a slow and controlled fall, right? So that's a little fast, right? So we're gonna turn that knob again. Let's go ahead and drop it again. Here we go. That's a nice controlled fall, but we wanted it a little bit faster. So let's go ahead and turn that knob 1 click over. See what that does? That's a lot better. Alright, so I'm going to bring you guys with me. We're going to get a little closer, and I'm going to do the first cast with this. Alright, it's time for that first cast. Hopefully there's going to be no bird nest. Let's go. No bird nest, guys. It's pretty good. Alright, so let's adjust it a little bit more. So let's go ahead and take the internal brakes to, let's set them at 1. Alright, and let's turn the external brakes to about 7.5. Let's go 7. Let's go 7. Alright, let's go ahead and turn down the tension knob to let it drop faster. Let's go down 2 clicks. Right there. Again, next cast. Not bad, no bird nest. Now, I did feel a little bit of bird nest coming, so what I'm going to do is go ahead and turn the brakes back up to 8 and give that another shot. That was A-okay. So overall, I like this reel, man. It casts pretty good just from the few casts I've already done. Can't wait to see how this reel holds up to the torture I'm gonna put it through when fishing spawn, back at home, kayak tournaments. I'm gonna leave a link to this reel down in the description. If you want, feel free to use this code right here, and you can save yourself 15% on that. But hey, if you all own this reel, leave a comment down below of what you guys think about this reel. If you guys do not own this reel and you want to, like I said, I'll leave a link down below, and I'll keep you guys updated on how well this reel lasts. But thanks for watching. This is King Bass signing off right here. Until next time, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you like this video. Until next time, remember, just keep fishing, never stop. Let's go.